Now, I have said many times that my hair is real and fantastic. I'm sick of these losers always making fun of my hair. I don't know, maybe I need a new hairstyle. Before I make this country great again, I need to make my hair great again. Let me go on YouTube and browse some hairstyles. Let's see. These are terrible, terrible hairstyles. My hair is much better than any of these loser styles. Wait, hold on. Who is this salon guy? Oh my God. I love, love, love his work. This salon guy looks fantastic. And I want him to make my hair great again. As a matter of fact, I'm going to call him right now.
Hello, this is Steven, a salon guy. Is this a joke? Is this the real Donald Trump? Mr. Trump, okay, yes sir. You want me to make your hair great again? Okay, you found me on YouTube? Awesome. Meet you at Trump Tower tomorrow at 9 a.m. This could be my big break. This is gonna be huge.
Good morning, members of the press. I would love to welcome you all here to the conference room at Trump Tower. It is an exact replica of the White House conference room in Washington, D.C. Mr. Trump has a huge announcement for you all, so give me a moment to bring up Mr. Trump.
Thank me. Thank me very much. It's a tremendous honor for you to have me here this morning. Hello, members of the press. I know you people on TV can't see, but there were about 5,000 people here this morning. And you press people are horrible, horrible people. I mean, there are lines out the door. Now, as you people can see, my hair is real. Can you see this? This is a hairline, people, okay? And my hair is fantastic. But I realized yesterday that if I'm gonna make America great again, I need to make my hair great again. So I was scrolling through YouTube trying to find a hairstylist, and I came across this fantastic guy called TheSalonGuy. All the other stylists were losers, but I love, love, love his work. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to bring up to the stage, if you have any questions for this wonderful man, TheSalonGuy.
Thank you, Mr. Trump, thank you. Members of the press, it's a true honor to make your hair great again. So let's start with some questions.
So what are you going to do to Mr. Trump's hair?
I'm thinking of doing something with huge volume and something very edgy.
And why do you think Mr. Trump wants to have a hair makeover?
Well, before Mr. Trump can make America great again, he needs to make his hair great again.
All right, everybody out. Get out. Secret Service, get out.
Mr. Trump, this looks like the real Oval Office.
And nobody builds Oval Offices like I do. In fact, I'm going to tear down the entire White House and build a luxurious Trump hotel. It's going to be fantastic.
That sounds great, Mr. Trump, but we have to make your hair great again. Have a seat. Let's get started.
All right, salon guy. Let's make my hair great again.
Okay, members of the press, I would like to invite the salon guy back up to the stage to discuss Donald J. Trump's new hairstyle.
Thank you very much. Well, Mr. Trump's hair is great again, and I must say, it's a look of power, confidence, and something that really reflects who Mr. Trump is. So, I'd like to present to you the new and improved Donald J. Trump.
Thank you, salon guy, for this amazing hairdo. I haven't seen it yet, but I can tell by your reactions that it's fabulous. So thank you once again. I'm going to answer in one more question. Yes, you.
So, Mr. Trump, now that your hair is great again, how are you going to make America great again?
Well, let me tell you. I'm going to build a wall around my hair, and I'm going to create thousands of jobs for other hairstylists to create this wonderful hairdo. Thank you so much for having me. Good night.